Hi guys, this is my video and I hope you guys subscribe. Now I'm gonna play. Oh yay! That's awesome. My brother's whispering to me. Sam, look, I have 4,445.
I was making sure it was right.
Look at my money. 4,400.
Silly, I used to have almost 1 billion. Well, 1 million.
Oh my gosh.
Tilly, I used to have 865,890 coins. And if you're saying no, it's impossible in the comments, or you, Tilly, saying that's impossible, well, you're wrong.
Oh, come on.
Stop.
Cover your mouth.
Remember, Tilly. No.
I'm gonna go to my dad.
And Tilly, you're not allowed to full record video.
My dad is going crazy. See? I'm gonna get some pizza.
Right back, guys. I'm gonna turn it down so if Tilly has any copyright sounds down.
Yeah. Hold on. You know, written trade and
What? How did you get the broom thing?
Oh!
Did she even give you that and that?
No, that's a different.
Well, I have no idea how you get that. Is it in the shop? Don't do that, Tilly.
I don't know how I even did that.
Tilly, after this, you have to watch my videos well, you're gonna watch one video and you're gonna see how to actually make a video, right? I'm not putting my channel down below, but I bet you guys are freaking gonna go to our first video and freaking look what it is.
Flappy Bird and Flappy Killer.
I'm seeing those games. Wait, I just said my freaking YouTube. Ha! Well, at least I don't know which one.
So look, I have 2 wallpapers.
Tilly, I used to have the
Britain
lava
gave me
wallpapers.
Britain gave me
I used to have the lava ones. And plus, Tilly, on Club Penguin, I'm not a membership, and I have a cool house.
Look. Don't spit it out! Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Don't aim it at me! Don't aim the camera! Don't aim!
My brother just ran because he just spilled some coffee. You guys wanna see?
Do it and I'll pause your
Can't
video.
really see.
I'll spill coffee on the computer.
Oh, no, you won't.
Yeah, I do. I got coffee. Fine, I'll spill the coffee at you.
No. This is fun. I got this at the monkey party. It is pretty fun.
So, like, I'm not a recent YouTuber. Well, I've already got almost 30 videos. You need to catch up. It's only been 2 months.
Okay.
I guess.
My brother is so not awesome. Oh yes he is, oh yes he is just awesome. I want to put you on my table.
Like, after you make that video, you want to play Minecraft?
Sure. Oh yeah, Britain gave me that. And my baby sister made this all the way purple hamster, and I did not like that. Oh, that's so adorable.
So are you paying attention to the time?
Oh? Sam, look. I have a pirate one.
Do what you want to survive. It's free.
Wally pirates, I diddly-dee.
So you don't know how to sing. Do what you want to survive. It's free.
You don't know how to sing. You don't know how to
No,
sing.
you don't. Do what you want to survive. It's free. Oh, see you. I'm gonna go make a video. Probably. And I'll make one after we play Minecraft. I know. And then you can make another video after this one. I'll say stop till you when you have to stop the video. Okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Stop! Oh. It's because your head is pointing down. And how about this, Tilly?
Where's my
Captain
gas? Talk to the pirate. Talk to him.
Welcome back to the diamond.
Here's my brother. No. So let's try.
Yeah, 1 minute. Down below, I'll put her password and username. Just kidding. I'm not doing that, guys.
I'm gonna just actually, I can make the most adorable list on here. Sam, I'm gonna try.
Here!
Sam, I'm gonna try to make me look the adorable list.
It's by starting a video, Tilly.
Stop!
Huh?
Bye guys, I hope you guys subscribe! And now click it! And